Next, we're going to be trying the old standby, Peppermint. Now this is of the dried variety. I mean, if you've never smelled peppermint before, I think you may have just been born. But we all know this peppermint smell. Quite delightful. Very calming right off the bat. Very dark color. Holy cannoli, that's way darker than I thought. How fascinating. A dark, dark brown. Bit of a legs effect on the glass. Lingers for a bit. That brown green color. Looks just like Fernet Branca or one of my new favorite Amaro Festif. Check out a bottle. They're fantastic. That's just mint tea with a little booze in it. And it's a staple ingredient in your Fernets, in your more alpine Amari. But it's really interesting to try it from a dry perspective as opposed to the fresh that I sometimes use in some of my batches, because I think that this continues that mint train all the way through to its fruition, whereas sometimes the mint train in the batches that when I use the fresh stuff might stop off at a town along the way for some nudie magazines, cigarettes, and a bag of hamburgers, like they used to do in the 50s, right? Goes right back, cools the back of the throat, real nice. Nice cooling effect. I love the cooling effect. I'm a toothpaste fan. Just go, love it. Don't eat your toothpaste, but I look for bitter wherever I go.
Pardon, when you say the train stop in a town that has the holy trifecta of nudie magazine, cigarettes, and hamburgers, how can you not give the name of the town? Dove? Can you provide directions? Unbelievable to not give us this key information, David. Yes, it's helpful to know that peppermint has a cooling effect and is extra flavorful in its dried form. But, mamma mia, where is this town? Papa Stanley has some air miles burning a hole in his pocket. Allora, menta piperita essiccata is good for sleeplessness. After watching your Uncle Paolo make his carbonara with the peanuts and you can't sleep, of course. It's also a helpful tool for stinky breath from too much garlic or espresso. So when you start your pillow talk, sip a little Amaro with peppermint and veramente forget about the nudie magazine, forget about a sexy hamburger. You will have a tanta passione. Ciao a tutti!
It's a time to make Amaro yesterday and not tomorrow. If you like a bit of taste, that is the time you will not waste.